Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see some new features that is deployed. So just have a look. So this is the list. You can see deposit transaction remark and payment mode added. So I will search one deposit from the search bar D-2. So here you can see recurring deposit. So from here transaction mode I can select. So let's say Jainam Bank and I will go to the Paytm. So here transaction narration I can write down received through Paytm and just receive this 100 from here. So same like a loan we can do in deposit also. Next deployment is the deposit has the follow-up and sub-status document configuration like loan. So if I go and check the follow-up list, so you can see the customer will be available on Sunday. The 23rd of November I have set reminder from here. So we can do the follow-up from the follow-up option. After that, the status information from here we can change the status of this deposit for matured, withdrawal, legal, locked, normal. Then the document list, the same like loan, we can add documents for deposit also. After that, the configuration column, you can see the repayment mode. We can add the details of repayment mode from here. All the details we can add from here. For let's say Jainam Bank, other details we can add from here. Paytm, all the details, remark, and the customized deposit number also we can add and update from here. Then let's go to the third option, the deposit lock and unlock using status information. So if I search one deposit D-4, so this is the saving deposit. So for example, just 1000 deposit I will receive from here. And now you can see in status information, I will go and just lock this status from here. I will just change the status. So yes. So now I have locked this account. So let's search this deposit again. So here you can see that withdrawal, deposit, interest, all this is locked. We can't do anything now because this deposit has been locked. The status is also locked. Then let's check the fourth deployment, filter on all party list. So if I go to the status report, all party list, so here you can see, just refresh from here. So here you can see all groups, all areas and all assignees. So according to that we can do the filter. So let's say North group. So you can see 11 records for North group. Then I will select the South group. So only 3 records for South group. So this type we can do the filtering also in status report all party list. Then in business summary added delete record list clear log option. So let's go to the business summary and deleted records. So from here, for let's say 20th November to 21st, I will just refresh. So there is no record. So if I, okay. So here you can see this much records, deleted records I have from 18 to 21st. So I want to clear this log from here. So I will just Select this option. So you can see the clear 0 records deleted log.